Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the portfolio. Welcome back to the channel. Want to thank everyone for tuning in. Want to thank everyone for all the support, all the subscribers, all the viewers. Immensely appreciate that. For today's video, let's take a look at week 36, 2021 options trades. I'll put all of those up on the screen here. You can see a very good, successful week of trading, $3,848. You can see all of the options contracts on the left there. You can see the positions in the stocks: Tesla, TSLA, Crispr, CRSP, Coinbase, COIN, CGC Canopy Growth, HOOD Robinhood, HOOD, and BA for Boeing. A very good week of trading. You can see the positions there, whether they're put sells or call sells. These are all contracts that I sold off. I received premium, as you can see there. And then on the right there in green, you can see the total premium for this week, $3,848. Unfortunately, none of these have executed so far. The very high risk trade with Crispr CRSP is very close to that 120 put expiration, or I should say strike price on the expiration today. So we'll take a look and see if that executes. But overall, a very good week of trading, $3,848 on the portfolio. And if you check out the video that I posted earlier this week, I did a little bit of an overview of that Crispr trade, $120 put sell, 12 contracts, so quite a bit of collateral tied up in that stock. But we'll kind of see how that all plays out. If I do have to get in that stock, it's okay, because I think that is a very good stock moving forward. That'd be a very good buy and hold stock in my opinion. But let's take a look at the overall portfolio here. As you can see, around 727,000 or so, definitely trending back here. 707, 729. This is before the close of trade. You can see that because there is a white background. Here are all those contracts that I detailed in the application. Let's go ahead and take a look at each of these individually, going through the contract, what I paid, or excuse me, what I got paid in options premium for each of these contracts. Most of the contracts have very small amount of premium, but there are a few that have very large payments. But we'll go through and detail all of these. This is a Boeing 237.50 call. I have this stock in the portfolio. If the stock gets above 237.50, I have to sell it off for that. But in the bottom left-hand corner, you can see 212.24. Again, a very conservative trade, so not a lot of premium in there, just $5. A 235 call. Again, I would have to sell this off if it gets above 235. And again, $14, 7 contracts there, $2 per contract. Going down, CGC, again, some of these stocks have trended down quite a bit, so these are not going to be substantial payments to the portfolio. 19 contracts here, negative 19, that's what that means there. I sold off 19 contracts, $18 in premium and $5 in premium. Again, not substantial, but it does add up every week, doing these every week, 52 weeks in a year. So these are small payments, but do add up to a nice gain over the longer term. Another CGC call here, $19.50, just $1. Let's go down to some of the higher premium contracts here. 242.50 put, meaning if it gets below 242.50, I have to buy. On the bottom left there, 251.95, and you can see up on screen, 5 contracts, $300 received on the portfolio. And this is the very large trade I did here, a potential large trade, the 120 put for Crispr. You can see current share price in the bottom left there, 122.06. You can see this was definitely bouncing around quite a bit in options premium. A very risky trade. That is why the premium is so high on this stock. If we go to the bottom there, you can see 12 contracts, $2,400 to the portfolio. Again, a put contract, meaning I have to do cash collateral. If the stock gets below 120, I have to buy it for 120. So very risky, but again, a very nice premium there, $2,400 on the portfolio. Let's continue down. A 130 call. I do have some Crispr in the portfolio currently. If it gets above 130, I have to sell off. Received $550 for that particular contract. Here are a few others. Robinhood, $51 call. Going to the bottom here, negative 5 contracts, sold off 5 contracts, $25 credited to the account. $49 call. Similar fashion, if it gets above 49, I have to sell it for 49. $125 to the portfolio. Let's go ahead and go down to the bottom here. Tesla now, $680 put. -1, sold off 1 contract and received $400 in premium. Again, overall, $3,848 credited to the account. Let's go ahead and switch over to after hours trading. You can see here another pullback, 700,536. Again, this is an after hours trading now. You can see that the white background is now black. That means there is no active trading. So definitely a pullback here, kind of up and down throughout the day. 715 pulling back, 704 rebounding here actually into the green for just a while in afternoon trading. Then right before market close here, definitely pulling back, but staying above 700,000. We'll see if that sticks for tomorrow. And if we scroll down here, you can see all those options contracts have now disappeared from the portfolio. Let's go all the way to the bottom. I have a list of all the stocks I do options trading with. These will be on the bottom of the portfolio here. Lists, options, and these are all the stocks I've been doing options trading with: Boeing, BA, Ford, F, CGC Canopy Growth, Crispr, CRSP, HOOD Robinhood HOOD, Tesla, TSLA, Apple, AAPL, and Coinbase COIN. Currently do not have any holdings in Tesla, Apple, or Coinbase, but do have holdings in the rest of the stocks here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Crispr trade. This was that very potential large trade that I made. Currently it's at 120.50. You can see in after hours trading here getting down to 120, and this is the strike price. So if it gets below 120, I will potentially have to buy the stock at that price. Fortunately, it looks like it is up a little bit here, 120.50. I don't think this is going to execute. And again, I sold off 12 contracts. Let's go all the way to the bottom of the screen here in history and kind of take a look at those trades. Let's go ahead and open that up here if we can. You can see 120 put sell 910, $2,400. And if we go to the top there, you can see call expiration is pending 0 for the call and the put. That put is the very large one that I potentially would have to enter into. That'll stay that way until Monday. On Monday, those will disappear. Those will be confirmed. Again, hopefully that doesn't trend. The stock doesn't trend down below 120. Very close to that at this point. But my experience has been if it's not showing that at this point, it probably isn't going to happen on Monday. So a very risky trade here, but fortunately did get back up over $120. Last week of trading here, you can see it did definitely dip down here, 119, 118 or so. So very successful trade overall with Crispr. And we'll take a look at some of the other contracts here as well. The Tesla, this is another nice premium to the portfolio, 732.38. Definitely has been trending up quite a bit over the past few weeks of trading. This week down 1.09%, but over the last 1 month of trading up 3.54%, $25. 3 months up 21.28%, 128.50. So looking to get back into Tesla, probably not until it gets below $700 or so. But another stock that I've done quite a bit of options trading with. If we go down to the history here, if you can take a look at my last video as well, I kind of detail a lot of those trades. You can see some of the recent trades here expiring on September 2nd there. So very good overall trades on Tesla, Coinbase, Crispr, Apple. I'll put that document back up on the screen here showing all of the trades for this week, the Excel sheet here. $3,848 to the portfolio. Let me know what you guys are doing with options trades. Are you doing something similar to what I'm doing a lot of sell contracts, selling off call contracts, stocks you have in the portfolio to make an extra earning on, or are you doing more put contracts like I'm also doing? Or some of the viewers have been mentioning that they've been having a lot of success selling off contracts. I typically haven't been doing that, done that in the past, but I think that's a little bit higher risk, but definitely higher reward as well. Sell off a contract, you don't need to have those stocks in the portfolio. If it trends up, you can make a nice gain with only having a little bit of capital allocated to any one particular stock. But again, I don't want to make the video too long here, so I'll kind of end it here. Week 36, again, of options trades, another great week. $3,848 to the account. None of these trades have executed at this point. We'll see on Monday if that Crispr 120 put sell does, but it most likely will not. But again, let me know in the comment threads down below what stocks you guys are using for this type of strategy. And also, are you guys doing call contracts that you guys are buying? Either put buys or call buys. Let me know if you guys are doing that and which stocks you guys are trading in. So again, I want to thank everyone for tuning in. Definitely great to be back on YouTube. If you guys do enjoy the content on the video series on the channel, please feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Until next video, we'll see you then.